Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing another PLOUISE budget box. This one is the August box. Now, customs did get into it, so please ignore the ugly, fugly little tape over there to let me know that they have gone through it. Again, this came with not the budget box, but one of their cool boxes that they tend to have, and I am not going to be complaining. So let's open the box and see what's in it. If I'm not mistaken, from their show and tell kind of TikToks, they did say that we were going to get two, not one but two of their new liquid bronzers. So let's get into it. Starting off, I am seeing one of their primers. Now there was two you could get. I got the sculpting one, which is partner in pink, the sculpting primer, and I just love the packaging. Like, guys, look at the packaging, so beautiful, and there's so much attention to detail. We just have to let's just open this and see what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is the sculpting primer. I really like the packaging. The packaging is gorgeous. Like, look how pretty. I'm not sure if it's gonna focus. Let me just do my hand just so it like, but this is the packaging. I can't wait to try this. I never tried a sculpting primer before, so that's that one. More information on the sculpting primer. It does say that it plumps, sculpts and tightens. It's anti-aging and antioxidant qualities, and it also revitalizes and rejuvenates. So it's probably more of like a skincare kind of primer, but I'm not sure why it says it's sculpting. I will definitely have to try it out and leave you guys a review on this, because I'm not so sure what that means. Moving on to palette. I'm not sure, was this an eye palette? I think it is, but does it come in pink? I'm guessing all the Barbie vibes are in it with every brand at the moment. Yes, I think it is a pink one. Now, what is the most important that you see at the back here? It actually shows you what can be used around the eyes and what's not for around the eyes. So there is 3 eyeshadows that are not good for the eyes. And I'm kind of happy that it says on the box, but does it say it on the actual palette? No. So the one thing that I'm not happy about is it does show you here on the box itself which ones can be used on the palette, around the eyes, but for some reason on the palette itself they didn't include it. Now, if it was me, I wouldn't really keep boxes. I would actually keep the palette, and I would probably would have preferred it being on the palette itself. I'm just gonna double check. But no, it doesn't tell you on the palette itself which ones are not intended for the eyes. But let's just, oh my god, look at the colors, guys. Those are really gorgeous pinks and burgundies. Now, if I'm not mistaken, the ones that are not good is Vanity, I Love You, and Rumor Has It. Which one is Rumor Has It? Okay, so the ones that are not fit for the eyes is a highlighter, which is this one there, Vanity, which is this one here, which tends to look like some sort of crushed metal. That's how I would call it. And Rumor Has It looks like a very chalky, glittery one, which is this one there. So only the 3 are not fit for use, but I would probably have to mark them somewhere, because you would probably want to use them on the eyes, but it's not for use around the eyes. So either they stain or there's something in it that's not good. That's the only downfall I'm going to say with this, because it's on the box but not on the palette. But it's overall a gorgeous palette. My god, pinks and the color schemes are just gorgeous, and the indentations on each eyeshadow is just something. So that one's that one. Obviously I have to save the best for last. We have the liquid bronzer. So they did give out 2 with each box. Now, my first box didn't ship. It got stuck, and I emailed them and they were very happy and they sent it out straight away, which was great. They sent me a replacement straight away. I was very excited. So the 2 colors that I have here we have Gingerbread Glaze, which is this one here. So that's gingerbread glaze. Not sure if if it's focusing. There we go. So that's gingerbread glaze, and the other one is tiramisu cheese. Now I'm so happy that I feel like they got the right colors. Now there was one of them I've used already, which I think is this one. Not sure if it was the dark one I've used. No, so the dark one I haven't used. So this one could be a bit too dark for me, but it would be really good for contouring and for darker skin tones. But if I'm not mistaken, then I've used gingerbread glaze already, and I can share with you what it looks like. So this is the color, and you normally have to do a bit of there is the color there, if it decides to focus. There you go. So this one's gingerbread glaze, which I do have on my hand there. And we also have tiramisu cheese, which is a darker color, great for darker skin tones, or if you want to do a cream contour. Okay, so overall with my August box, I think my favorite out of them all obviously is the liquid blushes, the liquid bronzers. Like, I was dying for these to come out. Like, when I saw them coming out and when they were saying that they're exclusive to the box, and then obviously they come out with the box, I was very excited. Obviously you never knew what shades you were going to get and stuff like that, but I'm very happy with the two colors that they did put in my box. I feel like they're very wearable. Obviously with me, I do like a bit of a contour, and I did try this one. I really liked it, so I'm very excited to try these. And yeah, very good box overall. I think it's well worth the money. I have been getting them for a while, and very excited for September, guys. Wait until you see September. I'm so excited, but they'll be up very soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you did, and yeah, see you in the next one.